IV insertions can be challenging, even for experienced professionals. But what if there was a better way? Introducing the VeinVu 200, an advanced infrared vein finder that's changing the game in vascular access. Using near-infrared technology, the VeinVu 200 visualizes veins in real time, making them clearly visible on the skin surface. The benefits are clear. Increased first stick success rate, reduced patient discomfort, time savings for medical staff, and ideal for challenging cases like pediatrics, elderly, and dark-skinned patients. Let's see how it works. Scan the arm with VeinVu 200. Select the best vein, insert the IV catheter with confidence, and confirm placement easily. From emergency rooms to outpatient clinics, the VeinVu 200 is versatile enough for any medical setting. Key features include portable design with built-in battery, 5 color modes for optimal visualization, high-definition imaging, and an easy-to-use interface. The VeinVu 200 not only improves the practitioner's experience, but also enhances patient comfort and satisfaction. VeinVu 200, transforming IV procedures for better patient care. Visit our website to learn how VeinVu 200 can improve your medical practice.